Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today my topic is the principal component analysis. This is the PCA. Actually, principal component analysis has proven to be a great value in the analysis of multispectral or hyperspectral remote sense data. Principal components analysis is a technique that transforms the original remotely sensed data set into substantially smaller and easier to interpret set of uncorrelated variables that represents most of the information present in the original dataset. A PCA may be also useful for reducing the dimensionality of hyperspectral dataset. For example, many scientists use a minimum noise fraction MNF produce, which is the cascade principal component analysis for data compression and noise reduction of hyperspectral data. Principal component analysis, we apply a transformation to a correlated set of multispectral data. So, principal component analysis is a data dimensionality reduce and noise reduce. So, let's start how to principal component analysis PCA Envi classic software. At first, open the multispectral data of Landsat 8 data. So 5, 4, 3 and load data. This is the multispectral data, multispectral Landsat 8 data. So go to transform to principal component and forward PC rotation and compute new statistics and rotate. Input main satellite image, input here Landsat 8 image and output name. There is the output name PCA principal component analysis and enter output file name. So and okay, there is run this PCA component analysis. So open this. This is the principal component analysis of this data. So link this to main satellite image and classification image. Right click and link display. Okay, there is send and there is hello land, and this is the classification of principal component analysis. Actually use the reduce and the noise, smaller and easier to interpret. The actually techniques that transform the original remote sense dataset into smaller and easier to interpret of uncorrelated variables that represent most of the information present in the original dataset. So this is the smaller and easier to interpret. So this is the called principal component analysis. this band 1 and band 5 easier to so there is the various principal component analysis. So very simple step, this is the transform this data into smaller and easier to interpret. Thanks for watching.